In this problem, we let A be the area of triangle with sides of length 25, 25, and 30. So that's an isosceles triangle. Let B be the area of the triangle with sides of length 25, 25, 40. Again, that's an isosceles triangle. The question is, what is the relationship between A and B? Remember, these A and B are areas of the two triangles. Okay, let's draw a simple diagram. So A represents the area of an isosceles triangle 25, 25, and 30. Okay, let's call the area of this triangle A. So that's 25, 25. So I'll leave the 30 out. So I'll relabel that later on, and you'll understand why. So now let's draw the triangle for B. And it's an isosceles triangle as well. Alright, this is our B. Or more precisely, B is the area of this triangle. Okay. So this is 24, this, no, this is 25, 25, and this is 25. All right, both are isosceles triangles. Okay, in order to calculate A and B, that's the area of these triangles, we need to find their height. So let's draw the height of the first triangle. Since it is isosceles, so the height also bisects the length of this side. Since the whole length is 30, so half of that will be 15 and 15. Similarly, for the second triangle, let's draw the height. And it also bisects the length of this side. So that will be 20 for half of it and 20 for the other half. Beautiful. So all what we need to know will be the height of these two triangles. Let's call this H1, H1, H2. So we realize that this will be a right triangle, and same for here. That's a right triangle. Therefore, the Pythagorean theorem will be very useful to calculate the height h. Do we want to just do the full calculation? No. If you observe the numbers here carefully, we will realize that this 25, that's 5 times 5. And the 15, that's 3 times 5. Do you see this? And do you remember the 3, 4, 5 rule for Pythagorean theorem? So they are simply multiples of the side of 5 and side of 3. Therefore, H1 has to equal 4 times 5. And similarly, for this right triangle, we have 25 equals to 5 times 5. And 20, that's 4 times 5. So we have 4. So we have 5 and 4, and this side has to be 3. So H2 will equal to 3 times 5. As we all know that for any triplets of 3 integers that satisfies Pythagorean theorem, the multiples of them also satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. Therefore, it saved us a lot of work. So A will just equal to a half times 30 times 20. H1 is 20. And that equals to 30 times a half of 20 will be 10. That will be 300. And the B equals to a half times 40 times, this is height is 15. So that's 20 times 15. That's 300. Therefore, A equals to B. The answer is C. So basically what this problem tells us is that when you do the exams, you want to examine the numbers carefully and analyze the pattern before you do any hard calculation. It wouldn't waste you much time, but it'll save you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumb up. If you have questions, please comment.